I can totally do this. Let's win this. Hey, are you guys ready? Look at me. For the first challenge, you have to put enough space between you and the wall and lift up the chair without hitting the wall. Now are you ready? It's your turn. Joyce looks like she's ready. Okay, so I just have to take a few steps back. And is Joyce able to do it? Yes, she is. Good job, Joyce. Now it's your turn, Max. Me? Okay. Okay, let's see. That's 13 inches. Okay, I got it. And 15 squared is... Oh, I think I have it. Okay, I'm ready now. First, I'm gonna take 1 and 2 steps back. Okay, this is going good. Now I just have to lift up the chair. And then... Oh, man. Oops. And Joyce wins the first challenge. 1 point go to Joyce. Now, for the next challenge, you have to spin around for a minute and then be able to stand on this piece of paper. See? Easy. Joyce and Max aren't so sure. Here are your papers. This looks really hard. I don't know if I can do this. And there they go. Oh, be careful, Joyce. Max looks like he's gonna hurl. And that's a minute. Whoa, steady there, guys. Oh, don't fall over, Joyce. Both Max and Joyce wins this challenge. Now, for the third challenge, you'll need this handy tool. First, start with the broom behind you, bring it over your head, and squeeze your legs through there. Voila! See? Oh, I wanna go! Okay, let's see if I can do this. Just bring it over my head, and then... Oh, no! Man, I was so close! Yes, now it's my turn. Fine, here. Thank you. Okay, so first step, easily done. Then 1 foot and the other, and ta-da! Easy peasy. Ugh, I lost. Another point goes to Max. For this fourth challenge, you'll need this water bottle. First, you have to lay on the floor and put the water bottle on your forehead. Now, you have to try to stand up while keeping the bottle balanced. See? Got it? Wait, can we even do that? That looks impossible. Come here, Max. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay, I just put it there. And then now I have to get up. Okay, this is going good. Slowly, slowly. Almost there, Max. Oh, man, so close. Here, Joyce. I can totally do this. Okay, let me start here. And then I just have to get up. Whoa, Joyce, you're a balancing machine. Almost there. Almost there. And you got it, Joyce. What? How did you even do that? And another point goes to Joyce. Now, for this fifth challenge, you just cross your fingers around each other like this. And ta-da! You ready? Sure. Wait, how'd she make it look so easy? I can't do it. This is too easy. I can do it with my eyes closed. And another point goes to Max. For this final challenge, you'll need to crack this egg with only 1 hand. This is so easy. We can easily do this in our sleep. Okay, are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oops, looks like they talked too soon. This challenge is too hard for Max and Joyce. Wait, how did Amy do it so easily? We can't do it. Congratulations, both of you guys win!